name is John Watchhorn. I'm a beef farmer here in County Wexford. I farm here together with my wife Shirley. I run a store-to-beef finishing system. The farm here is very dry and I buy mostly Friesian bullocks and Friesian calves and I finish them to the factory at 24 to 28 months of age. The grass that I like the cattle to be eating would be 8 to 10 centimetres. I'd like them to be going into leafy grass with little stem. I walk the farm every week and measure grass because it takes the guesswork out of farming. It gives me the information to know whether I can take out paddocks or if I need to spread more fertiliser. I want the grass all leaf because they clean out the paddocks well and the animals perform well on it. I started measuring grass about 4 years ago. I'm in a trader discussion group and I started the Grassland management rotational grazing from there, and then I joined a grass group with Martina Harrington to measure grass. The more grass I can grow, the more cattle I can graze, the more weight I can put on them. The more cattle, the more weight, the more money.